Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. I lost a bet, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make healthier chocolate truffles. To get started, into my food processor, I'm going to be adding half a cup of walnuts, followed by half a cup of almonds. There they go. Next, we have 1 cup of pitted dates. Then, 1/4 cup of cacao powder. And lastly, a splash of vanilla extract, about a teaspoon there. And we're going to blend. All right, we've got everything nice and finely chopped and poured into a bowl, ready to make our truffles. We're going to need some sort of cookie sheet or tray, as you see here. We're going to be forming this into balls and placing them on our tray. There they are. And I've added toothpicks to them. We're going to be dipping them in some melted chocolate later, so this is just going to make that process a little bit easier. For now, we are popping those into the freezer. All right, so next I have some Ghirardelli baking chips. These are bittersweet, 60% cacao. So we're going to pour those into a bowl, and we're going to be melting those in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between. All right, and now we are ready to dip our truffles. All right, our truffles are dipped in the melted chocolate, so let's get those back in the freezer. All right, there they are, and my mom is ready to give them a try.
Okay, they look really good. These are delicious. Very good.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.
Bye.